Section 7 of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 4, October 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Larry Wilson. The Voice of Nature. Who could not sleep in this embowered room, perched high above the suffocating ground, where clinging vines and tree-tops in their bloom cast grateful shade and fragrance all around, when added to the magic spell of flowers, the night-bird's song fills up the watching hours? Who could not rise refreshed at early dawn in this same sweet enchanted nook, when to the half-unconscious ear is borne, from lark and robin, sparrow, thrush, and rook, the gentle warning of the opening day, God's earliest sermon to humanity? What soul could feel the burdening weight of sin, when from these tiny unpraised throats the songs of nature's praise begin, and heavenward pour in liquid dulcet notes? We gladly join our grateful voice to theirs, and turn our thoughts to God in earnest prayers. E. D. Barron. End of Section 7. This recording is in the public domain.